Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some GLOSSYBOX Advent Calendar spoilers for 2021. This is going to be the full box reveal for the US. I was very confused with the UK version because a lot of people said that they were the same, a lot of people said they weren't the same. So I actually emailed the woman I get my PR through, and I was like, when is the USA version going to release? And she kind of didn't say that it was anything different than the UK, so I was like, okay, so they're the same ones. And then I made the video, and then it turns out that they're completely different, and honestly I think the UK version is a lot better. Unfortunately, USA people cannot buy it. It just will kick you back from the UK site to the USA site, but it's still a pretty good advent calendar, though the UK one had a full-size Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, which was like insane, whereas this one I don't see a big ticket item whatsoever in here. That's my only issue, is that I would like to have seen a big ticket item, but there's just not one. But I mean, for $99, this is still like a really good advent calendar. She did say she was gonna send it to me, but that is yet to be seen, so I don't think I'm gonna get it, but that's okay anyways. But we're gonna go ahead and go over the US version, everything that you're gonna get if you purchase the one for the US. Very sorry about the confusion. Like I said, I emailed her and I didn't really have an answer, so I mean, I had an answer and it seemed like the answer that it was confusion, okay? So this advent calendar will have all the information in the description box. It's 16 full-size items and 11 deluxe size products. So I have the photo of everything in here in front of me, and then I have everything on my phone. So I'm gonna just quickly go through the items. I'm not gonna go through the descriptions because I don't want this video to be really long. So if you see something that you like, you can look it up and, you know, get the full description and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna go through the items and give you like a list. So if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Leave all of your thoughts and comments on this box down below. Is there anything in this box that you want? Do you think it's worth money and all of that? And do you like this one more than the UK one? Or are you very disappointed that the UK one is way different than the USA one? Let a girl know. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much if you're already watching this video. If you would, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the very first product is the Neom, N-E-O-M, Perfect Night Sleep Candle, which is a travel size. So it's just a nice little candle, which is probably this big because it's on top of a makeup eraser product. So it doesn't look very big, but a sleep candle, that sounds like very interesting, very fun. Then we have a full-size product. This is the Authentic Beauty Concept Stronghold Hairspray, which is a full size. This I feel like is going to be a big winner when it comes to like everything in the box, because I haven't tried this specific product, but I have tried their hair mask, and I was very like, you know, skeptical about trying it because I've had a few hair masks in the past. One of them messed up my hair for like ever, and it was awful. So I tried this and I was like blown away. So like I have a feeling that this is going to be really good. Plus Hairspray I feel like is also kind of hard to mess up. I don't know. But yeah, very good brand, and I think that you guys will like this product. Then we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser Deluxe Mini Size. We actually just got this in our GLOSSYBOX. I think it was like last month or 2 months ago. And then I got the same one, but it was a moisturizer, but it was like the same name or something like that. It'll look fantastic, or vice versa, I can't remember. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, it's kind of weird that the product that I've seen already coming in the subscription boxes are coming in the box, but then again, I mean, it's the same thing, you know, it's fine. And then we have a full-size makeup eraser original pink. Fun fact, I was actually reached out to get PR from them, but I lost the email when I was supposed to pick out what I wanted to try out from them. So I don't know if they're going to ever send me anything or what, but I do have a makeup eraser. Very good. Definitely erases the makeup 1, 2, 3 with water. If you haven't tried a makeup eraser, it's very true. Literally just put the cloth under water and wipe away your makeup, and you're going to be very pleasantly surprised that it did, in fact, erase your makeup. Then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask in a deluxe size. I have had this product. I have tried this product. I don't remember what I thought about it, but I don't have it anymore, and it's probably because I just have so much stuff. So yeah, I mean, I think it's a good product, probably. Another fun fact, I was supposed to get gifted Glow Recipe products, and then they backed out and said they wanted to go into a new direction. So thank you, Glow Recipe, for that. You guys are so sweet. Still love you, but very sad that we're not going to work together. But anyways, we have from Polar, P-O-L-A-A-R, the Genuine Lapland Hand Cream in a deluxe mini size. I know a lot of you who follow me love hand cream. I'm just not a hand cream person, so when I see hand cream, I'm like, that's cool. I might try. I might give to my boyfriend. I don't know. But yeah, a little hand cream for people who love the hand creams. Then we have from MCO Beauty a blush on cheek stick, and this is a full-size product, but compared to what it looks like in this photo, it's like this small, which is crazy that it's a full size. But then again, blush sticks, like cream products and stuff, really a little bit goes a long way, so I can see why this is like a full size, because you really don't need a lot. It'll last you like forever, and compared in the photo, it looks like a really beautiful color. So I think you guys are gonna like it, especially if you never really have tried cream products. I think this will be a great way to you know, boost your beauty drawers up with some cream products, and you might like it. Plus you could probably just use it on the lips and stuff like that too. And then we have from Figs and Rogue a Wonder Love Clarity Skin Perfecting Serum Drop, which is a full size. I cannot find this product in the photo, but I'm sure it's somewhere. I have never heard of this brand, so I can't give you any feedback on it, but if it's in here, I'm sure it's going to be phenomenal, because you always get amazing brands in Glossybox. I just haven't heard of this one before. Then Cosmetics Charming Lip Kit, which is a full size, and it looks to be a lip liner and maybe like a liquid lip or a velvet lip. I have two of their lip oils, absolutely love them. They sell them at Walmart, which I didn't know they did until I saw them, but Cosmetics is actually pretty good. I mean, I've only tried the lip oils, but I really like them, so I don't know. I think you'd be pretty pleased to have a full-size lip and liner to match. That's pretty cool. Then from Victor and Rolf, the Flower Bomb Eau de Parfum deluxe mini size. So I see a perfume in here, very cute little bottle. It's definitely like a little mini size, but as much as I personally wear perfume, I could use that for like 2 years, because I do, when I get any kind of online order, I always like to select for the free samples the little perfume samplers, and then I'll like put them in a tin and spray them whenever I want, because, you know, I get migraines, I get headaches, certain scents trigger me, and I just like to have them for when I go out. And I think this was a great little sample for you for, you know, if you want to go out and, you know, spritz and spray, you know, that kind of thing. Then we have the After Spa Daily Facial Dry Brush, which is a full-size product. I would say, depending on the material, I wouldn't keep it in your shower, because I got a full-size body scrub brush from either Glossybox or Look Fantastic, and I was using it, and it only took like a week, and it started molding, and I'm like, what's going on? It was like, oh, there's mold on it the next day. Not the next day, but like, you know. I was very sad about that, because it was like wood, and like once the mold kind of like got in there, I was like, huh, it won't clean off. So I was very sad about that, so I threw it away, and like the little like metal pieces on there to hold the little thing rusted, and I was very sad. And it's not like nothing else in my shower was molding except for that, so I was just like, wah, this is sad. So I would not keep that in your shower. Depending on if it's wood or if it's plastic, I say it's probably going to be safe. But yeah. Next we have the, oh, but that's a full size. Did I say it was a full size? Okay, it's a brush. Okay, full size. From Bella Pierre, the mini Kabuki brush, which is a full size. It's like a Kabuki brush, you know, like it's just, you hold it and you do it, the thing. Not a very exciting product, but it's still good, especially for traveling, because it doesn't have a handle, probably easy to store, you know, that kind of thing. And then we have the Glossybox Skincare Hydrating Brush, full size. I don't see that in here anywhere, so I don't know what that looks like. But maybe it's the eyeshadow brushes. I don't know. I don't see it on this photo, but yep, that's one of the things that are coming in here. And then we have from One Kind the Perfectionist Refining Facial, which is a deluxe mini size. So this is just going to be a small little tube. You guys know the sample sizes are always really, really small, but great to like try out and stuff. Then from Fekkai, F-E-K-K-A-I. This is the full-blown volume shampoo and conditioner, which is in a travel size. And the bottles look really cute. They're like a yellowy color. They're about the same size as the Elemis, so they're probably going to be like this big. So yeah, that's probably like a good one-time use. Then from the brand Josephine Cosmetics, which I've had a liquid highlighter from them, very good. This is the I Define, the waterproof graphic eyeliner in full size, which, I mean, it's an eyeliner. You can't really go wrong with eyeliners unless it's like really crappy. But I mean, I feel like I have more good eyeliners than I do crappy ones. So fingers crossed for that, but I have high hopes. Then from Earth Harbor, the Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule, which is a full size. I feel like this we've had before in like BoxyCharm. It's like the bottle that's like red maybe, or maybe it's something completely different, but we've been getting these in BoxyCharm a lot, and they do sell them for like $6 on the Boxy pop-ups and add-ons and stuff. So if you're ever wanting to get your hands on any other ones and you're subscribed to Boxy, then you could look into it there, but I have a feeling this is going to be pretty good. Then from Cleo Noir, the eyeshadow duet Light the Night, full size. Product may vary, so you might get a different product, a different shade. This one I believe is the one that was supposed to come in a glossy box, and we wound up getting a Ciate blush as the replacement. So I am not sure if you're gonna get this or you know what, but it does say that it will vary. Then we have the Deco Miami Nail Polish, which is another full-size product, but the colors will vary. This one looks to be like a sparkly gold, which is really, really pretty. I like the bottle, so yeah, hope you get a color you like. That would be great. Then from First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Prayer Cream Deluxe Mini Size. I feel like if you've ever had a subscription box for at least a year, you've probably gotten this, especially in Ipsy or Allure or Look Fantastic or Glossybox. I feel like this product is always in the subscriptions. But yeah, a lot of people do like First Aid Beauty. I don't personally like them. I haven't tried anything that I liked, so there's that. And then we got from Vitabird the C12 Facial Boosting Water Plus Dual Mask Brightening and Luminous, which is a full-size product, which is great. And yeah, little dual mask. I see it. It's a cute little bottle. Cool. Okay. Then we have from 111 Skin the NAC Y2 Restorative Cleansing Balm Deluxe Mini Size. This one I believe has also been coming in Ipsy. So I'm sure you might have gotten this before, but 111 Skin is so good. Absolutely love them, and I think you won't be disappointed in this product. Then we have from Medic 8 the C Tetra Luxe Deluxe Mini Size. I don't know what this means. Nor do I know what the product looks like. Oh, it's a little serum bottle. Okay, now that I'm seeing the serum bottle and seeing it, I think I've gotten this before. Yeah. And then we have two more left. This next one is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Sweet Dreams Pillowcase, which is a full-size product. Kind of weird to see a pillowcase in here, but I'm also not opposed to it. If it's one of those like satin ones, they're very good for like face wrinkles and whatnot, and I do use the other ones that I've gotten in boxes before, and they're really, really great. I really like them. They just slip off the pillow pretty easily, but you know, whatever. And then the last product is from Wander Beauty and Elena Badrow. This is the Wanderous this Rush eyeshadow palette Divine Duo set in a full size. So you're getting a full size palette. It's not a Huda Beauty palette. It's not the best palette in my opinion. Any Wander Beauty Wanderous palette I've ever had, I've tried a few of them and they've all been really bad. Some of you guys have been like, I love this palette, what are you talking about? It's not very good. At least compared to the palettes that I've used in my life, it's definitely not in the same realm of good. Yeah, that's everything coming in this glossy box. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Are you sad that this isn't the UK one? I personally feel like the UK one's a little bit better, but you're still getting a bunch of products, great value, and all of that. So thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!